Opposition sat over Swaminathan Committee report for years. We implemented, says Prime Minister Modi. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday slammed the opposition parties for spreading misinformation on the three farm laws. Addressing the farmers of Madhya Pradesh via video conferencing, Prime Minister said that the opposition parties in their election manifesto promised similar agricultural reforms. He urged the political parties not to mislead the farmers. He said that India's agriculture, India's farmer can't live in backwardness anymore. It is true that no matter how hard the farmer works, but if there is no proper storage of fruits and vegetables or grains, if not done properly, then he has to bear a huge loss. In the last 6 years, the government has worked keeping in mind the needs of farmers, adding that people should seek replies from political parties who talked about agricultural reforms in their manifestos. These agricultural reform laws did not come overnight, adding that every government has discussed it extensively for the last 20 to 22 years. Over the last 20 to 30 years, the central government and the state government had detailed discussion on these reforms. Agriculture experts, economists and progressive farmers have been demanding reforms, said the Prime Minister while addressing Madhya Pradesh farmers through video conferencing. The history of the last 20 years shows that many committees have insisted on creating alternative markets for the farmers. Whether it is the Swaminathan Committee, the Parliamentary Standing Committee or the Shantakumar Committee report, everybody advocated a paradigm shift in this direction. There are 25,000 commission agents in Punjab. The new law has hurt the earning of 6,000 crore rupees annually. 8.5% of this was their commission. The way the new laws are being protested by spreading falsehoods over MSP and the multi-system reeks of politics, and the political parties like the Congress and commission agents are doing the job of instigating the farmers. Prime Minister Modi said a total amount of rupees 16,000 crores are being transferred into the bank accounts of 35 lakhs farmers of Madhya Pradesh. Today, several farmers have been given Kisan credit cards. Earlier, they were not available to all farmers. But we changed the rules to make the Kisan cards available to all farmers across the country, he added. Accusing the Congress and other opposition parties of spreading falsehood about the new farm laws, Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar on Thursday appealed to the agitating farmers not to fall prey to these white lies and said the centre was ready to address all their concerns. The minister, in an 8-page open letter to farmers, said the Modi government was committed to their welfare and stressed that the new legislation was aimed at benefiting small and marginal farmers. This comes a day after nearly 1,000 farmers embarked on a foot march from Morena to join protest at Delhi borders, where the stir against the continuous farm laws passed by the centre has entered its 23rd day. Thousands of farmers, mostly from Punjab and Haryana, are currently staying put at Delhi's borders with Haryana and Uttar Pradesh in protest against the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Act 2020. They have expressed apprehension that these laws would pave the way for the dismantling of the minimum support price system, leaving them at the mercy of big corporations. However, the government has maintained that the new law will bring farmers better opportunities and usher in new technologies in agriculture. The government argues that the three farm laws will remove the middlemen and allow farmers to sell anywhere in the country their products. News Desk, Karma News.